Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on our X7A. To do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find Microsoft Edge with a search. When it's ready, you can click on the Open. Right here we can customize the browser by signing in to turn on synchronization with other devices. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on Confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now we can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.